So, in today's video, it's all about the iPhone 6 unboxing. Let's start the video. The box from the side, top, and the bottom. Now it's time to actually get into the box. We don't have an unboxing knife, but we do have a key. Let me just tear all the plastic away. Put the key to the side. We don't need that. But what we do need is the iPhone 6 on your screens. Slide that top of the box off. Wow, amazing. In 2018, we are unboxing an iPhone 6s with the headphone jack. Always remember that. Put all that to the side. Let's get into this booklet. What do we have in there? A magic key. Instruction manual and stickers. We don't really need that. Put that to the side. What else do we have in the box? Headphones. Might need to do a full review on that on its own. Put that to the side. Lightning cable. 3-pin plug. Put all that to the side. And the star of the show, the iPhone 6s. Beautiful. The top, the bottom, the side, the other side. Wow. Let's just get into the phone, tear that plastic off. A masterpiece.